Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Realm, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews to help you make the best purchase decisions. In this video, we'll dive into the 4 best home security systems of 2025 that stand out for their features, ease of use, and ability to keep your loved ones and valuables safe. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a high-tech powerhouse, or something that blends seamlessly into your lifestyle, these picks have something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 4. 2025’s Smart Home Security System. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to safeguard your home, the 2025’s Smart Home Security System, 2nd Gen, might be your perfect match. This DIY-friendly security solution is equipped with 12 components, including a base station, remotes, and multiple contact sensors, ensuring comprehensive coverage for doors, windows, and more. Its standout feature? No monthly fees or contracts, just a one-time investment for lasting peace of mind. The system integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering voice-controlled functionality to arm, disarm, or switch modes with ease. While it only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the setup is remarkably simple even for those less tech-savvy. Adhesive-backed sensors and a tool-free installation process mean no damage to walls and minimal effort required. Real-time alerts are sent straight to your phone, keeping you informed about any unauthorized activity, whether you're at home or miles away. Its versatility also makes it suitable for offices, shops, or garages. With customizable options for adding sensors and remotes, it adapts to your unique needs. For those seeking security without the hassle of subscriptions or complicated installations, 2025 offers a simple yet powerful solution to protect what matters most. Number 3. WYZ Home Security Core Kit. The WYZ Home Security Core Kit stands out as an incredibly budget-friendly option for DIY home security. It offers a surprisingly solid performance for its price, making it a great entry-level choice for those seeking basic home monitoring without breaking the bank. The system includes a hub with a built-in siren, 3 door/window sensors, a motion detector, and a compact keypad. The setup process is straightforward and can be completed in about 20 minutes, with the components functioning reliably. The sensors accurately detect motion and openings, while the hub and app make it easy to stay informed. Additionally, WYZ devices integrate seamlessly with Google Assistant and Alexa, enhancing its usability in a smart home environment. However, the system has some limitations. Notably, it lacks cellular backup, leaving it reliant on Wi-Fi for professional monitoring. This could pose a risk during internet outages, although a battery backup ensures local functionality. Another drawback is the limited compatibility with third-party devices, restricting users to WYZ's ecosystem unless they utilize integration platforms like IFT. Overall, the WYZ Home Security Core Kit delivers excellent value for those on a budget, but its security track record and lack of advanced features make it better suited for non-critical monitoring needs. Number 2. Ring Alarm Pro. The Ring Alarm Pro is an innovative blend of a robust home security system and a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. This unique combination ensures seamless integration of home safety and network connectivity, making it a standout choice for tech-savvy homeowners. One of the most notable features of the Ring Alarm Pro is its built-in Aero mesh router, providing excellent Wi-Fi coverage and speeds of up to 900 megabits per second across 1,500 square feet. This feature is perfect for homes where stable internet is crucial for connected devices. Additionally, its backup power and internet capabilities ensure uninterrupted security and connectivity during power outages, an essential safeguard for critical moments. The 8-piece kit includes a base station, motion and contact sensors, a keypad, and a range extender, offering comprehensive coverage. Setup is user-friendly, with straightforward app guidance that even first-time users will appreciate. Its compatibility with a wide range of Ring and third-party devices further enhances its appeal, though the lack of support for Google Assistant, HomeKit, and IFT might limit its versatility for some users. While a subscription to Ring Protect Pro unlocks advanced features like 24/7 backup internet and Alexa Guard Plus, the system remains highly functional without it. Overall, the Ring Alarm Pro is a top-tier solution that merges home security with networking efficiency, earning its place as an editor's choice for DIY security systems. Number 1. Simply Safe Home Security System. The Simply Safe Home Security System stands out as an innovative, AI-powered solution designed to proactively protect your home. Its Active Guard outdoor feature leverages advanced outdoor cameras and professional monitoring agents to deter intruders in real time. These cameras detect potential threats and notify monitoring agents, who can intervene within 30 seconds by sounding alarms, activating spotlights, and even requesting police assistance with video verification. What makes Simply Safe truly appealing is its user-friendly approach. You can install the system yourself or opt for professional setup, and there are no long-term contracts or cancellation fees. With a 60-day money-back guarantee and free return shipping, it's a risk-free choice for home security. The system also integrates seamlessly with smart home setups and features a robust mobile app for control on the go. Additional perks like a 24-hour battery backup, privacy shutters for indoor cameras, and lifetime hardware warranties make it a comprehensive and reliable choice. Overall, Simply Safe combines cutting-edge AI technology with practical, user-centric features, offering a customizable and affordable solution for peace of mind. Whether you're home or away, this system keeps you connected and protected around the clock. Choosing the right home security system is about finding what works best for your specific needs. And the 4 systems we've discussed today offer excellent options to suit a variety of preferences and budgets. Which one do you think is the best fit for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next video. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next one.